Good morning. Today is May 26, 2025 and it is Monday. Now, class here online for hearing students. In the future, they become teachers for the deaf. So now, tell something. Fine. Or dito tayo dito. Dito siya. AMMNUL. So mana sign name niya? Letter E. E here. Okay. So tell where from. So I come from Camotes Island. What center? What name? Consuelo. Consuelo. Near home. Okay, so tell when, tell some story. Where school, grade, elementary na, grade 1 to grade 6. Where was the school? Elementary. Grade 1 to grade 6. Sa Camotes. What name school? What name sa school? School name. S. School. Elementary. C. R. Again. C-E-N. Central. Central. Government. School. So, what man a place? What place sa Camotes? San Francisco. SF. San Fran. So, kung wala ka ito Camotes, San Francisco. San, Francisco. Okay, so next, elementary, high school. Where man school? Basak sa first high school. High school. When to nga year? Pila na old now? 32. 32 na siya. So past high school, then K11, wala pa na. K12, when year graduate high school? What year? Start 2010 to 2014. 14. So next, college in Mandawi. MCC. Mandawi City College with a hearing, an interpreter, speaker, then together. So what course? MCC. Electrical. So electric. So now, pagka-finish high school or 2 years, 2 years na, who them other? Not meet me. Kinsa pa other sa electrical? Ikaw, Botra, design sa, so ikaw na lang. Si Tio, kinsa na? Si Demi. Ito to family name? ELUMBERING. Pero wala naka-school din. Wala naka-school. I think po di mi katong from Olango. From Lapu-Lapu. Pero ikaw ni continue ka, nag-graduate ka 2-year course. Pero pilang to ka years dapat ang course? Start 2015 to from 2014 2015. So 1 year ka. 2013 to 2015. So mo na dito MCC school. So learn ka dito electronics or electrical. So After MCC 1 or 2 years, next where naman ka nag-work? Kamutis, electrical project. Pero before that, now naman na. Naka-work na ka before. Before sa RGE. Nag-work ka RGE, wala. Before, first, nag-cook. Nag-cook. Food. Balik L, A, late, D, dan, Danau. Sa Lake Danau. Dito gyapon sa Kamutis. Assistant siya nga chef. Katong mag-cook. Mag-chop. So pila ka months nag-work dito sa Lake Danau? 2 years gyapon. That was 2017 to 2018. So after 2019. So after sa pagka-cooking assistant, where naman nag-work? Mother Stats na. Sa Mother Stats na nikam. Nikam siya sa Mother Stats pagka 2019 na to. 2019 or 18. Kaya na 2019 na to. So 2019 to 2020 kay pandemic man, so niguhom ka. Guhom ka back Kamutis. So pagka 2021, apply sa work electrical. Now, until now, continue na work. So only one dev nag-work electrical. What man you do? What do nimo sa work? First project sa boss. Charger. Phone. Construction. Construction mag-build. So, how ang electrical, how ang communication? It's difficult. So, we'll try. So, we use gestures and pictures about the installation of wirings. Then show it and communicate. Then understand. So, about the project. So, pila man ka building sa construct usa ra ka ani usa one ra ka building, one ra ground floor, third tag 3 ka buildings first, second, third. So third, but you responsible sa wiring, both. So na-hearing not perfect sometimes, so independent siya sa independent, but later not dangerous. You must be responsible and control. So you see, I am responsible, so control about then if exactly if madream niya nga how, so next maybe mo bomb, so never happen na bomb or na wrong, so always study sa electric. So now how about mag-install solar. What sign solar? Install og solar panel. Kato para sa saan ba? Kato nag-interpret man ko. So I am the interpreter of him nga nag-study about solar last 2024 in One Central Hotel. So, kami ra ang depth dito. So, but pay, mahal ko pay, no? 7,000 ang pay sa seminar. Siya nag-pay. So, pay, i-pray ko niya dito. So, pag pay dito sa seminar, 7K. Pina to? 2 days, no? 2 days nga seminar about solar panel for saving electricity. So, fine ra, one day ra ko ni nag-interpret kay very, very cool. Not easy my body. So, normal na diri. Now, normal na diri, but there in One Central, very, very, very powerful cold. So, nagurog ko. So, tell ko sa organizer nga, so, not lang ko mo continue next day, pero understand man siya kay very cool man. So, next ato, learn na, now, continue ka, install og solar panel. pila na ka houses ang na-experience nga na-install og solar panel. 1 year na. Pero hindi, pila na. Human responsible. Sa volts. Sa voltage and wattage. So you will study the voltage and add all the electricity and equipment for if it is high. So i-add ra all before mo buy og solar. Solar converter o inverter. Equal. Kaya para not mo not the fire. So you need equal, follow, sa wattage, watts, and all the materials, the electricity, the aircon, the fan, the refrigerator, the aircon. So all nga ni connect sa electricity. And you need also machine for water. Hindi the water, right? And hot, shower. I add all na apil to include ang water sa CR, sa maligo or sa other nga cooking, and hot, coffee. So mo na ang i-add nimo if magpa-join og solar panel sa app. So you go up but not dangerous sa house. So have safety. Okay. So have safety gear. Para not out. But other wood not easy need weak ang wood weak. So other needs strong steel. For solar. So good na now. So pag-learn dito na to sa seminar sa One Central about solar panel. So now improve na ang learning kay katong owner si Jeff Legaspi from Manila or from Cebu man to now. But now go siya sa Denmark na country, maybe dili na. Denmark, the same Netherlands near. So, nato to sa Europe. So, kay Filipino nga from Cebu, from Talisay. Then, graduate siya UC. Then, naka-work siya sa Denmark. Then later, mukam siya sa Philippines, mo visit para share yung knowledge about solar panel. Now, business. Gimake na niya nga business. So, if mo order ta ni Sir JF, so have the discount. So nakatry ka. Nakatry ka order. Pila ka time now. Order all. 12K W. All add bilang sa pay nga money sa peso. Mahal. Barato ba? Depends other December, Christmas or April nga Holy Week. So, or graduation. So, discount. So, nice season nga, discount for i-order ka sa GF nga solar. But more mo yung more solar about sa name nga Huawei. The same sa cellphone. The same sa cellphone nga solar. So, other half pa barato. So, mahal ko kayo Huawei. And other different. Edge, hydrio. So different mahal. So ato ka sa lower nga price para na budget good. So many times na ka nag-order ni Sir GF. So no now Sir GF, there man have discount. I-ask. Kailangan PWD discount. Para fine. Not. Now, forget how on discount. You have to, mahalin man. So, tell mo, pag seminar na to, not man na give ang atong discount kay the same man equal, 70 ko ng price sa hearing. Kaya sa debt, the same nga pong pay. So, need ask, kaya mag-room sa look. Before, 10, 8K, now discount 7K na. Pwede ito parito na 1K. Okay, so then, continue now. Pila na ka years nag-work kamutis now? Kamutis nga kwan. How monthly ang sa work nimo? Monthly, daily, or monthly? Ang pay ba sa salary mo ha? So, who man owner, where man ka nag-work sa company, sa electric, sa kamutis? What name? What name? So, lang ID. Kamutis, Silico. Kamutis, Cebu. Sa what meaning? Silico. So, na to. So, ano siya? Ka-ID. Asa na siya nag-work ron? So, nag-work siya sa barangay Christian sa what name man eh? Basta, spell. Spell. CA Camotes Electric Cooperative. 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 Then incorporated. So only one dep nag-work dito. Only one as electrician. Barangay electrician. So how much salary pay? Pila na ron? 1 month or 1 day? No. What man do about sa budget sa salary? Ma-finish ang building, then repair or install or end na sa so 3,000. So ma-finish ang one project. So or big project or one project. So maka-salary 3,000 to 5K. So how many days pala ma-finish ang one building nga mag-repair o mag-install o electricity? 1 month. So muna for 1 month. So 1 month mo na 3K to 5K. So, big nga building 4K 4,500 to gamay ra. So maybe 3K. 30K. Basta gamay. Install man tanan dagan. If have solar include others kanang no one pansit how. So my auntie 400,000 but then okay others only pure man budget sa other. Mother tell wait pa first buy car. So okay. Others like ask about solar. So, who want together if mag-install of solar? Ikaw, only one. So, we communicate through words or sa sign or gesture. Where magka-communicate if mag-start or mag-install of solar? So, ask ka GF, Ligaspi. Chat ra mo. So, mo-chat siya sa katong person nga nag-seminar me. So, para responsible, para equal kay engineer man to. First, copy all the then send to pila ka watts, i-read. Then send to me how much, how many watts or volts, kW, kilowatt, hydria, so grid. Then mobile na din atong things. Order how man deliver dito sa Camotes ang mga things nga solar, ug kanang mga wiring. So who man order responsible? Ikaw. Na driver. So pay sa driver. So mag-deliver dito. Pero asa man get sa Consuelo? So i-bring sa ship from Cebu City. From Cebu City to ship to Camotes, Consuelo. So not malos, wala kawat. So city ra. First, pay. So mag-meet. Then later deliver na. So happy ra sa work now. Fine ra sa work now. Past mother stats, fine ra. What happened? Past ka work. Not good because many gossip them about so naka-work. Pila nito ko ka-years? Sa 2 years. So fine, nagyapon. Good, nga learn. but not good others. Sige, ragasit. Ako, always morning, clean, always, then morning, others lazy, the deaf. Ah, so, always na text. Kapoy, sige na text. Then later, need to help also. So, define na now, okay, ikaw, how man other if like mo work missing barangay electrician if deaf. Kinailangan naman, not babae. Man na needed. So, always safety if mana electrocuted. Need always safety. Kaya patay niya tana. Important, so na safety, gear. So na safety sa iyo. Og diri sad, og katuran diri. So diri if mo crime. Sa mga the same sa hotel. So what the purpose now ni kam sa Lapu-Lapu visit brother from Badyan Island. Na-baptize. Now go na sa return. So when they come go back Camotes. Sa third day pa. Badyan come Wednesday na lang 28. Ako na go sa priest meet. Why man priest meet? Magpa-meet o solar ang priest. What do? Preview. No sign language ang priest. Normal lang. So what understand? Tall priest yang short ra. Tall. But from Camotes priest. So na-assign na siya. Work rin. Birthday. So family friend ang priest. Invite. So tomorrow, Tuesday, tumulog yan kung Lapu-Lapu. But now, where man ka from now? Lapu-Lapu. O what time man to ni arrive na dyan na? Ikaw, what man to time? Nag-rent sa Lapu-Lapu. So what place sa Lapu-Lapu? Rent. Sine? And, so what mo? Masak? What place? There's a bridge. Bridge per second. First bridge, second bridge. Tamiya. Basak. Tamiya there. So dito siya nag-rentron. So no na. But good now share kanila para aware na then work as Christian. So how man na to if future become sila teacher, what man na to tell sila what ma-improve sa language para aware hearing tell na to. So what tell you to? Sige. From construction, so what you do ang activity, so have sharing, learning about what plan sa example sa house o sa construct pa. Kuha sa ibutan ang mga wiring, mga wire. But good na po nastalihan. So always safety kay danger kay how only one left dito. Okay. So needs later. Maybe Alan. You know Alan? Madel. Pagkakutis. Kung blue eyes. No money mo. Know about you. Blue eyes. Dali. Nag-study na ron. Pero now, OGT. Work Ramos. Maybe name mo. Well Hotel. Okay, para man to foods. Not well hotel. Siya now nag-work. So sa imo ang work nimo more man siya sa electricity but dito ra sa Camotes. So pila ka hours mag-work? Start Depend 9 to 2 or 5. 9 to 5 ra. So, 5 ra. So, pila ka mo hearing na nag-work when the same sa mga electrician. Ikaw na, Dev. Ang other hearing, pila ka mo? 50. So, siya ra sa 50 or mga 50 or maybe old na others, adult na, papa na. So, but time na communicate. Aware na Dev nga nag-work. So, no, not sabi to. Fine na communication. Good ra. So, equal ra. What should be? So, tell. So I cannot compare myself to them about money, but have an own different man responsibility. Fine, nagyapon. So, what good for you? Fine, ra. Kasi sila, hearing mo to sila, family, mga single man, di cool, ra. Kaya sila, all single na sila. So, sometimes, now, ako happy, share kanila about your experience as that person work in hearing. First, electric, then video, and all the CCTV. Refrigerator, aircon. Aircon. Also, need yun din, already need yun plan, all, not always anytime, room, okay, house space. Water. So plumbing, sometimes plumbing para sa ang water mo, asago, asapas. So all, so ako salute good work na that man find best for you. Okay, thank you. Okay, good. Say pangutan na. Wait. What question? May tingog. Pakita mo sa inyong dagway, kita na ako siya. Kanang na-present. Ano siya? Different sila province. Some province, others here nasi. Ano siya? Others come diri. 2 weeks naman, 2 weeks face to face, 2 weeks online. Muna, now, difficult. If share karon, wala. Kay online man sila. Ano siya? Only come. Now, kay pass, absent pa na. Kama siya na. Okay, thank you bye-bye.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. Exit na po, sir.
Mm.
Pinawag na sa sir.